At what we need to do before we detail this. Normal dirt, grime, see a better indication there, where it's been protected by the mat, of course, and you can see the difference. So we know where to hit hard. Seats need cleaning, maybe some coloring. We'll get to that. Basically take everything out, and so here we got some chocolate stains, it looks like, and on the front, and over here obviously it's not going to be as bad. So the mats will be cleaned, and then we'll clean them in the bathtub. Hot water will get that, and you see a little bit of chocolate staining underneath there, where the chocolate went. So we'll hit that again with the Pretreat, and so you can see what the color should be like, and then we can compare them. We're done. And inevitably we'll find some money, which is always good. And obviously here again, nobody really sits here because it's more back, but you can see it's we're trying to bring the color to, and we'll see how that goes.